stirring raisins. Is it filming?
Well, I only got about 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Is it still going?
Yeah, do you want me to stop it?
No, this is perfect. Okay. I'm on it.
Okay, so what I might have missed there is we're starting out with butter, which we have frozen a little bit, because they said the colder the better. Okay.
And then we're taking that and we're working it until it's into coarse crumbs. Oh, this is hard stuff. With just adding the butter, which is like, oh, it's frozen to the plate.
Just throw the plate into.
Okay, I'm working it in. I'm not a big.
Are you supposed to squish them as you go?
Am I?
I don't know. Are you?
Is that?
What does the directions say?
It says cut in the butter using a pastry cutter, a fork, or your fingers.
Okay.
So I think this is okay.
Fingers work. Okay.
Do you want to get a close up of the finger?
Okay, we're coming over that way. Keep going though. Here we come around. I don't want to make anybody dizzy. I know how that feels. Look at that squirrel. Look at that. Ooh, zoom, zoom. Here we are with Nemo plate with the butter and cut in little cubes. Looks like corn, but it's not. And here's Tanis playing in the food. Okay, hope you washed your hands first.
I did.
So that's how it's working. And if you overplay dough, I know one thing, it doesn't like it, and then it doesn't cook well. So I don't know. Here she is. We're the blind, sort of leading the blind here, because neither one of us are particularly big on baking, because it requires, for myself, paying attention all the time, and I'm not very good at that.
Okay, I should stop looking at the camera.
That's right. You're supposed to be the worker bee. Okay, we're going to take a pause here for a moment.